Hey guys, we're going to do a knife video here. I want to show you guys a knife I just purchased. I want to give a shout out to bladecity.com. They got nice knives here. You guys want to buy a knife? Go there. Don't tell them I sent you. This is a curved Balisong butterfly knife. This is the rainbow version. It's pretty, I'll tell you, this is Chinese made. It's made in China. I think I paid, I think it was $24.95 for this. But it's well put together. Everything's riveted. It's got riveted hinges. It's got a spring latch. It's nice and smooth. There's no play whatsoever. It's razor sharp. That's why I'm wearing gloves, because I already cut myself. With it. It is razor sharp. You can almost shave with this guy here. As you see, they have a lot of Balisongs. They have a lot of different styles of knives. I mean, if you want a knife, man, that's the place to go. So, I like it. I really do. Now, this is a cheap Balisong. A lot of people don't like these. That's the reason why. Sometimes it stays in place, sometimes it doesn't. But the thing with this makes noise. This makes the click-clack noise. You know. I got a switchblade coming. As soon as the switchblade comes in, I'll give you guys a video on the switchblade. But this is nice, guys. It's not bad. So you want a nice knife, man, go over to Blade City. Don't tell them I sent you. You buy a knife, it's on you. Don't tell your mother I told you to go buy one.